If you stick with me for the next 5 minutes, I will show you how you can turn any long document, any PDF, into a clear, summarized plan with actions, and make sure you don't miss any important information, only with the use of artificial intelligence. Let's have a look at my screen. You need ChatGPT, free version or paid version, doesn't really matter. And for this purpose of this video, I have got this lovely car insurance guide. It's 39 pages long. And we will send this to ChatGPT, but I've also got one really long prompt so that we make sure that we've not missed anything important out of that document. The reason why I've chose that is because quite often, if you're anything like me, when you're renewing car insurance or important policies, I tend to just skim over important information and just click accept. But now we don't have to do that. So on ChatGPT, I want you to click the plus sign and click on add photos and files. Now I've already saved that PDF document, the car insurance one, and I'm going to choose that file and upload it to ChatGPT. That test PDF has now been uploaded to ChatGPT. I could quite easily just write in there, summarize for me what this PDF says, but the problem with that is artificial intelligence might miss some really important information that you need to know. So I have this really long prompt. If you need it, let me know and I will message it to you. Essentially, it's 4 sections, gives a summary, gives you an action list, any questions or missing information that you should be concerned about, and if you want to write a reply, I've written here, write a short reply I can send, polite, clear, confident tone. So I'm going to copy all this and then we'll paste it into ChatGPT. At the top, I will just write, summarize, read this PDF file, and then we'll send that to ChatGPT. By the way, can I just say that if you enjoy content like this, then do me a favor, click the like button, click the follow button, leave a comment. If you want this prompt, let me know, I'll send it to you. Now let's have a look very quickly at what ChatGPT has given back to us. So a 5-bullet summary, the 3 most important points, anything to be worried about, a complete action list, what's missing or unclear, and 7 questions to ask before deciding, and a short reply you can send 120 words. So what's the point of all of this? The point is that you can now very easily summarize any long document. It doesn't have to be a car insurance document. It could be absolutely anything that's important. If you found this video helpful, click the follow button and you can stay up to date, and also it helps me out.